So there's an alternative called RPC, which sets rules in advance with something called a schema. Okay, we have our front end, but how does it talk to the back end? That's the purpose of an API. Essentially, our front end and back end may or may not be in different languages. So how do we standardize a way for these two to talk? Well, we do that with what's called an API. Most commonly, REST APIs are used, which follow the convention of combining a verb with a location. For example, we might want to get a list of accounts or add a new account. Alternatively, if we pass a parameter, we could get a specific count, modify it, or delete it. REST does give us some nice standards, but there's no guarantees. If anything changes, our front end can get messed up. So there's an alternative called RPC, which sets rules in advance with something called a schema. These make inputs and outputs explicit in advance. Now, how's data transferred? Well, that's done most commonly by sending strings back and forth through a protocol known as HTTP. Ideally, these strings can be read by any programming language. Two common formats are JSON and XML, and we convert data to a JSON string through a process called serialization. So web development backends.